Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can turn on and off the flashlight at the Samsung Galaxy A13 and A13 5G. Yeah, let me show you first how to on the flashlight. So just scroll down here, then you will have always here the symbol for the flashlight or the torch. Just tap on it and you have turned it on. If you want to turn it off, very simple as well, just tap again on it and it's turned off. As you can see, pretty easy. Let me show you something more about the flashlight. So just scroll down again here in the shortcuts and you will have some more options, by the way, here of shortcuts. But we want to concentrate now again here on the torch or the flashlight. Now, go now on the written word torch or flashlight. Go on the written word. And now I can change as well the brightness level here. Nice to know, huh? Let me turn it on and let me increase it now to level 5 so that we have the maximum brightness here of our flashlight or torch. Huh? So just go done, and whenever you turn on the flashlight, you will have now the most brightest flashlight here of your phone. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.